back to another video. You already know the deal. We're bald, so that means we're installing yet another unit, and this one is of course from LUVME Hair. Y'all know I love working with them, and you guys, this unit is a hit. It is long, it is curly, and it is also very like light, so it's just giving me very much summer vibes. As you can see, that lace is see-through. The cap construction is bomb like always, and look at that hairline. I did pluck the hairline and also bleach the knots, but you guys, it already came like honestly ready to wear out the box, but you know I had to add a little bit of razzle dazzle. So here I'm just taking the Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just spraying that along the perimeter of my hair line where it's at, and then I'm just going to add an elastic band to secure that down and let that dry. I will have all the details of this wig in the description box down below for you guys, along with the length, direct links, all that good stuff. And yeah, and I'm just taking a pair of scissors and just cutting that lace so that it's easier for me to cut. I like to do mine in sections just because I got a big head. I got a lot of space to work with, so I feel like cutting in sections, the lace allows me to not like get like too like razor happy and like just start cutting everywhere. So once I cut off that excess lace, y'all, it looks like it's growing on my scalp. The lace, the LUVME lace, it just gives it to me every single time. They never miss. And now I'm just taking this wax stick and I'm going to be putting that on the top so we can just kind of like push the top down just so it's not like too poofy and giving too much wig vibes. And yeah, you guys, this wig was very easy to install. I really love how it turned out. I feel like this color looked very pretty on my skin and also perfect for the summer. So I definitely feel like if you guys are someone who tries like the regular curly hair and kind of do like the 1B color, just like the dark brown and blacks, definitely give like a lighter color a shot. I feel like it really just kicks into gear, like feeling like a summer mamiana, you know what I mean? Like it gives vacay, gives by the beach, gives by the pool, gives sun-kissed. Now I'm just taking some water and I'm just defining those curls a bit. I'm honestly not spraying too much on it at all because I still want to keep some of that body. And I'm just running my fingers through it. And I don't know if y'all could tell, the hair is super soft, super silky. Literally, my fingers were not catching at all. They were just gliding right through the hair. And I really, really loved the curls. So after I define those curls with water, I'm just going in with some curl mousse just to put that on tap to eliminate any frizz and just take it a step further so that those curls are like defined for a longer amount of time and are just popping all day. And I just want to give you guys a close-up of like what the hair looks like and where it hits on me. It's like honestly right above the boob. Like I said, these curls are gorgeous, and honestly you do not have to do this step at all, but I just wanted to do this step to give it a little bit more volume, a little more volume. So I'm just taking a blow dryer and just blow drying those curls a little bit so they have a little bit more body. And as you can see, once the hair was fully dried, chef's kiss. Like I absolutely love how these curls look on me. They look so natural, so pretty. I am in love. Y'all see what I'm saying about the color? It was just giving. It was everything. And as y'all can see as well, the shine of the hair is still there. The body of the hair is still there. It really looks like it's growing from my scalp. But I even gave y'all a turn around from the back view because it was that good. It just was giving everything. And one more time, this is where the length hits on me once the hair is fully dried. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.